tell your mother the witching hour is dead. I woke up restless, watching the time slip away, when the seas are getting rough and it is getting harder to see your face. Halfway, we're halfway there. Halfway, we're halfway there. Halfway, we're halfway there. Halfway, we're halfway there. We'll tell your mother the tide is coming in. I'm walking restless, pushing through the storm ahead, yeah. And the seas are getting rough, and it is getting harder to see your face. Here we go. Halfway, we're halfway there. Halfway, we're halfway there. Halfway, we're halfway there. Halfway, we're halfway there.
So Allison, I feel like you should explain why you're playing the kazoo, because that was not in the plan originally.
So anyone that saw our set last night, and we did feature a bit of kazoo. We have a cover that we play that one day we were practicing it, and Rory plays the riff on guitar. And I think I just had this at home from I don't know, school or something. We're elementary school teachers as well, so I think I had this at home from that. And I pulled it up just to be dumb, I don't know. And everyone was like, huh, maybe that should stay in the set. So yeah, I don't know, it's been fun. It's only in 2 songs right now. Maybe it can make its way into some more, but it's a fun thing. And it's also fun to get recognized after a show. Be like, oh, you're the kazoo girl. I also play piano and sing, but yes, I am the kazoo girl.
And we were told by an audience member last night that we had to bring the kazoo up on stage today. So we said, gotta give the audience what they want.
Halfway, we're halfway there. Halfway, we're halfway there. Halfway, we're halfway there. Halfway, we're halfway there. Thank you so much. Caroline's got one more.